For centuries, humanity has asked the same question: are we alone in the universe? Now, on the red sands of Mars, NASA's Perseverance Rover may have found the most compelling evidence yet. Deep inside ancient rock layers, carved by time and dust, the rover has uncovered strange textures, patterns that hint at the possibility of life long, long ago. Each scan, each signal, brings us one step closer to unlocking a cosmic mystery that could forever change our place among the stars.
The Perseverance Rover drills deep into the Martian soil, searching for secrets hidden beneath the surface. The samples it gathers contain carbon-rich compounds, chemical fingerprints that, on Earth, are often linked to life. To scientists, this is more than just dirt and stone. It is a message from another world waiting to be deciphered. In the heart of Jezero Crater, the rover explores what was once a river delta. Billions of years ago, water flowed here, carving channels, carrying nutrients, shaping the land. Where water exists, the possibility of life follows. And now, as the rover scans these ancient riverbeds, it may be walking the very ground where Martian life once thrived.
Deep inside the Martian rocks, the rover has found organic molecules, complex building blocks of life itself. On Earth, these molecules are tied to living systems. Their discovery on Mars does not prove life, but it raises a tantalizing possibility. The red planet may have once carried the same spark that ignited life on Earth.
Imagine Mars, not as a desert world, but as a planet of rivers, lakes, and perhaps oceans. Billions of years ago, it may have been a cradle of life, where tiny microbes swam in alien waters under a warmer, thicker atmosphere. Today, the planet is silent, but the rocks remember, and the rover is bringing those memories back to us. Every image, every signal, every piece of data travels millions of miles across space, from Mars to Earth. Hidden in those transmissions could be the most groundbreaking discovery of all time. The first evidence that life existed beyond our own planet. Humanity waits, breathless, as the rover whispers the story of Mars back to us. The Perseverance Rover carefully stores rock cores inside titanium tubes, precious samples that will one day be returned to Earth. These tubes may hold answers older than human history. If life once began on Mars, its fingerprints could be locked inside, waiting for us to discover them when the samples finally come home. Under the rover's microscope, strange patterns emerge, shapes that look like microfossils, tiny remnants of organisms that may have lived billions of years ago. Though we cannot yet confirm their origin, the resemblance is undeniable. Could this be the first visual evidence of life beyond Earth? The question echoes through the halls of science, shaking the foundations of what we thought we knew. In high-tech labs on Earth, scientists reconstruct 3D models of Martian molecules. Each scan is a puzzle piece, each discovery a step closer to the truth. If these molecules are biological, then Mars was once alive. And if life could begin there, in the harsh cold of an alien world, then perhaps life is everywhere. Beneath a sky filled with unfamiliar stars, the rover works tirelessly. In the silence of the Martian night, it continues its mission, collecting data, transmitting signals, unraveling secrets. It may be only a machine, but tonight it carries the hope of an entire species, the hope that we are not alone. Mars today is a frozen desert, dry and lifeless. But long ago, it was a very different world. Blue rivers, flowing lakes, and possibly oceans stretched across its surface.
This transformation from water world to wasteland holds a powerful lesson. Planets evolve, climates change, and life struggles to endure. The story of Mars is a warning and a mystery all at once. One day soon, these samples will arrive on Earth. Inside ultra-secure laboratories, scientists will study every grain of dust, every fragment of stone, searching for microfossils, searching for traces of ancient Martian biology. What they discover could redefine biology, astronomy, and humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. Through raging dust storms, over jagged cliffs, across endless deserts, the rover continues its journey. Every mile it travels brings us closer to the answer humanity has long sought. Did Mars once harbor life? Could it still, hidden beneath the surface? The rover pushes forward, carrying not only instruments, but the weight of our curiosity. And so, on the edge of Jezero Crater, humanity stands on the threshold of discovery. The Perseverance Rover is more than a machine. It is our eyes, our hands, our explorer on a distant world. Its findings could reveal that life is not unique to Earth, but a universal story written among the stars. If Mars once lived, then the universe may be alive with countless worlds waiting to be found.